Hi everyone! Want to go viral while making people laugh? In this video, I'll show you how to use humor to ride TikTok trends and make your content unforgettable. And here's how to get into it. First, take a trending sound or format that flip it. Twist the expected outcome into something totally ridiculous or awkward. Then use a relatable humor. Things people secretly think but rarely say. That's gold on TikTok. Then add exaggeration, whether it's facial expression, acting, or voiceovers. Go a little over top. Then TikTok loves drama. Combine humor with your niche. Are you into a tech? Show what your laptop sees when it crashes. Then if you're fitness, then you said one push up, not a lifestyle. And don't overthink. Quick, messy humor often performs better than a polished perfection. And that's how you use humor to stand out in TikTok trends and boost your reach. If you love or like this video, hit like and subscribe for more creator tips. Thanks for watching.